This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include adjustable driver pedals, a heated driver's seat, a CD player, an anti-lock braking system, a stability control system, and this vehicle has fewer than 21,000 miles on the odometer. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has enough power to pull a trailer or cruise around town. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.